Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a fresher looking to land your first technical job, today's video is just for you. We are going to break down how to approach a technical job description and how you can prepare for it. Now let's look at a different role, data analyst. Here's what a typical JD might look like. Let's break this one down. SQL and data analysis. SQL is a core skill for any data role. If you haven't worked with SQL much, now's the time to start. Learn to write select queries, join tables, and filter data. Use websites like LeetCode or Mode Analytics to practice SQL problems and try working with publicly available datasets to gain hands-on experience. Python is the go-to language for data analysis. Learn libraries like Panda for data manipulation, Matplotlib for basic plotting, and NumPy for numerical computations. A great project idea could be analyzing a public data sets like COVID-19 data to extract meaningful insights. These tools are used by companies to turn data into visual insights. Even if you don't have hands-on experience, start with free versions of Power BI or Tableau and experiment with your data projects. Create dashboards and get comfortable using them, as it will set you apart from other freshers. Statistical methods. Statistics is the key in data analysis. Even if you haven't formally studied statistics, learn the basics like mean, median, standard deviation, probability, and hypothesis testing. You can use Python to apply statistical methods on datasets you work with. Presenting insights to non-technical stakeholders. This one can be tricky, but it's an important skill. Practice explaining your findings in simple language. Think of a project where you have analyzed data and present your insight as if you were explaining it to the friend who doesn't know anything about data analysis. This will help you during interviews when they ask you to walk them through your findings. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more career tips. Good luck with your job search, and I will see you in the next video.